The compact camera space is heating up again, and this time it's Insta360 stepping into the spotlight with something new. The Insta360 Luna Ultra has just been confirmed through fresh leaks, and it's already shaping up to be a serious rival to the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The big question is simple: should you wait for this, or go ahead with Pocket 4? First, let's talk about what makes this exciting. The official name, Luna Ultra, confirms this isn't just a small update, it's a more premium direction. Earlier leaks only mentioned Luna, but the Ultra branding suggests Insta360 is aiming higher, possibly delivering stronger features and better performance than expected. The fact that this information comes from a leaked product sticker also hints that the device is already in production and very close to launch. On the hardware side, the Luna Ultra looks solid. It packs a 1,550 mAh battery with a total power rating of 12.13 watt-hours, along with support for up to 15 volts input and 3 amperes charging. That means faster charging and potentially better battery efficiency compared to current pocket cameras. While battery life numbers aren't confirmed yet, these specs suggest it should comfortably handle long shooting sessions. Now, the real highlight, the camera system. Unlike most pocket cameras, Luna Ultra is expected to feature a dual lens setup, including a wide-angle and a telephoto lens. This is a big deal. If the rumored 3x optical zoom is real, it would give Luna Ultra a major advantage over competitors that rely mostly on digital zoom. For creators, that means more flexibility without losing image quality. Stabilization is also expected to be top tier, thanks to Insta360's well-known flow state technology. Combine that with AI-powered tracking and automatic framing, and you're looking at a camera that can practically handle shooting by itself. Whether you're vlogging or capturing travel footage, this could make things much easier. The design seems equally creator-friendly. A rotating or flip-out touchscreen is expected, allowing easy framing, quick settings changes, and gesture-based controls. On top of that, physical buttons like a joystick, zoom controls, and dedicated mode switches give you full manual control when needed. This balance between smart automation and hands-on control is exactly what many users want. Another interesting detail is the mention of a new device called E-Link, likely a next-generation webcam. While not directly related, it shows Insta360 is building a bigger ecosystem, which could benefit creators in the long run. So, should you skip Pocket 4? Honestly, it depends. If you want something reliable and proven, the DJI ecosystem is still a safe bet. But if these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Luna Ultra might offer more innovation, especially with its dual camera system and optical zoom. With stock already appearing in stores, the launch feels very close. If you can wait a little longer, Luna Ultra might be worth it. This could be one of the most exciting pocket cameras we've seen in years.